Welcome back to Storrito. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to add text to your Instagram stories before publication. If you're new here, Storrito is a web-based tool for creating, editing, and scheduling your Instagram and Facebook stories and reels from a desktop PC. It allows you to upload your content, add elements like stickers, and schedule your stories to be published automatically without notifications. This is great for both individuals and social media managers who want to manage their social media content directly from the desktop PC. So to start with, we're going to go into our Storrito account and go to the Storrito gallery. From here, we're going to select the asset that we want to add text to. We want to open the editor. To do this, we click Open and Edit. This will open the Storrito Editor. So I've filled my image to fit the frame, and now I select the text icon in the taskbar to add my text. Here you can see a menu of our most popular type fonts, but you can also change the type font later on. We're going to start with Modern. Please bear in mind that you can't change the text in the frame itself. So here I can't add or remove text. To do that, I have to look on the left, and here I can add my text. I can now move this and resize it as I need to. I can change the font color. And add a background to make it more visible. If I need to add line breaks, I again have to do this in the text box on the left. And then I can reposition my text element as I want to. To change the typographic alignment, I have to select the whole text and then select from the icons above. So this would be centralized, and this would be right to left. I can also add bold text, italicize the text, or underline it. Here we have a much broader selection of fonts for you to choose from. If you wish to add a second text element, simply click on the text icon again, and you can add another one. For this text element, I'm going to add a mention. This will work like the mention sticker, but will be embedded in the text element. I recommend underlining this so that your users know it is clickable. And that's it. We've now added some text elements to our Instagram story. And when we're finished and happy with our design, we can click Save to save it back to the gallery, or we can click Share to download and post manually, or schedule our story. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or requests for further tutorials. We're looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye.